Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is what? July 30th, 2020. This is our Vechain paired against the Tether price prediction forecast update. All right. Now, before I get started in that, hey, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys see how easy it is to understand verbally as well as visually see how easy it is to predict price movement. Definitely hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me plug you into our own website, HueFinancial.com. If you guys want to see more of our price predictions within the cryptocurrency space, you have to become a member on our website. Now, guess what? The website is free. All you have to do is sign up, become a member, and then you have access to all of the other topics, cryptocurrencies that we are releasing on our website. So make sure you do that as well too. So Vechain, here we are. Market update for Vechain. You guys can literally tell that we expected the market to move higher on our last video, which was done on July the 16th for Vechain. Now, you guys can tell, let me zoom in for you, and we're going to talk about the performance of the market trapper against our forecast. Yes, I said it, forecast. So here we are, right here on the 16th. We expected the market in Vechain to move higher in price. It did. And our TP was at this 0.091 price level, and it was tagged right there on the 21st of July. So minimal, almost 6% profitability to the market since that video was had in this space. Now, you could have tagged out the next day following our video forecast for Vechain with 5.94% as well. So hopefully you all saw that video right before the market tanked or moved to the downside since those 2 days occurred, because now it's over. So now we need to update you all on the price movement for Vechain, and we're going to do that right now. Now, our purpose is to make it easy. All right, people in the technical space, which we don't follow technical analysis. Let's get that straight. We do not do technical analysis. We do language analysis in the market based off what has already occurred. So in the case of Vechain, the market here has seen a massive rally that started all the way back in March. Now, back in March, you guys can realize that the overall world economy was taking a major hit due to the coronavirus situation. And since that time, all of the markets, whether it's silver, gold, the stock market, cryptocurrency space, have seen this massive run up. Vechain participated in that run up. So we're going to adjust this chart in the market for Vechain. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this line right here because the market is not playing it. So that is one major key into understanding and keeping your charts clean, is that if the market is not playing against that particular line, get rid of it. What's the point? We need to take the action up to where the market is trading at. So we are going to take this line right here and readjust it to where the market is actually playing, so we can use this to our benefit as to what the market trapper is going to do, right? So we're going to continue to follow this market in Vechain. So simply by adjusting that line, we can see here that the market in Vechain on a daily basis is in a uptrend. Simple. The market is going to follow this uptrend. So when you think about it, do we have any leg room to continue to move lower based off this chart? And the answer is yes, we do. And I'm gonna show it to you. This area right here is where the market in Vechain can move lower. So we have chances and opportunities to see the market continue to go lower in price. That is where we're at. Now, even if the market was to come into this area that I have identified, it doesn't mean that the market is going to crash or even continue to move lower. The longer that we trade alongside this line to above it, then that means strength is in control. The moment that we break this line to the downside, that lets you know that weakness is in control. Simple. Okay. Now taking a look at Vechain on a weekly perspective, real quick. Again, you guys can see we're in the uptrend. Now the last 3 weeks we've seen indication that no one is really interested in Vechain at those high prices at around the 2-cent level, 0.019. That price level lost the demand for that cryptocurrency. And when you lose demand, price automatically will fall. It's the simple law of supply and demand. So the last 2 weeks, even the last 3 weeks, the market got inundated with selling and the lack of demand reduced to where you have to see the market moving to the downside. So we're in that case right now. We're in that situation to where weakness is in control and we're not seeing the market participation coming through to validate the demand for this cryptocurrency, plain and simple. So when you look at the weekly perspective for Vechain, there's 2 areas of restriction that the market trapper will have to overcome in order to regain the prospect of higher price. And those levels are 0.016 and then the next price level is 0.017. So as we continue to trade out for the rest of this week, going into next week, even the week after that, if this trap cannot break price above those 2 price levels, then the market breaking this ascending line is increasing dramatically. Okay, so that's there. And looking at Vechain on the monthly, we had a very fantastic month, no doubt about it. You guys came into the market in Vechain, saw that interest to where last month Vechain broke through 0.008 for the month of June. You guys saw massive gains. Congratulations to anyone who capitalized on that, because we're seeing something different now. One more day for the month of July, this bar will be done and it will be historical information. We are closing well off the highs. We haven't seen this much volume in Vechain on Binance ever since it's been listed on this exchange. So what is going on in the market? Well, there's weakness going on. There's selling going on in the market for Vechain. So when you look at these multiple charts on different time frames, weekly, monthly, daily time frame, you're getting the understanding that the market is giving us weakness. So we're going to play that. Simple. So we have this line here, and we identified that the market area of restriction is at 0.016 and then 0.017. So that's where we're going to hold restriction at. Okay. Now we got this area right here in the green that could substantiate the profitability in the market for Vechain, and we can still see the market move higher. Okay, so this is our objective going on into the market for Vechain. This is our forecast as to what we are expecting the market trapper to do. We're expecting him to try to take the value of Vechain a little bit lower. And we're going to play this on the daily time frame. Okay. So we have opportunity to see this market in Vechain go a little bit lower. We're going to play that. Our TP will skim off a little bit right there around 0.015, but then definitely right there at 0.014. Okay. So this is it, relatively simple to see and understand. And again, what is your forecast? What is your prediction for Vechain over the next couple of days? Let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video, and make sure you guys continue to come on over to our website, HueFinancial.com, subscribe to the channel as well, share the video, and then we're on social media too. So make sure you follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to make sure you stay in tune with the information that we are delivering. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I will talk to you all on the next one.